Hey everyone, it's Jennifer with DP Addiction Adventures, and I just wanted to step outside of the office. I am currently in a 2-day conference. I'm 1/4 of the way through, and I just sitting there watching Zoom, and yeah, it's just been crazy. So I thought I'd do this introductory video during our lunchtime. I'm sitting here in our living room. We still have our happy birthday stuff up from like 4 weeks ago with my daughter's birthday. It's been a crazy month for us, and I just thank you so much for coming along on the journey. Talk about crazy. I finally received my collab canvas from Diamond Painting Factory UK. So that's what this video is. So I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see you on Friday Lives with DP Addiction Adventures at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard. And you might see Crashly from time to time, Crashly, my collab partner. So I hope you enjoy this video and this unboxing, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye. Hey! Whew. So today is the day I have been waiting for. Actually, yesterday this came, but today I'm actually going to get to open it. This is finally the collab painting from the Diamond Painting Factory UK. Now, be careful, there's 2 diamond painting factories out there, so make sure you add the UK if you're going to Google it, or I put the link down below for you to grab it. I did open the end, full disclosure, because I had no idea when this was coming. There was no tracking number. The owner of Diamond Painting Factory UK was trying to get the tracking number and couldn't, and so hopefully now you all know what it is, but we're going to open it up together. This is a 50 by 60 diamond painting called Willowing Arts Autumn Fairy with Fox. This is a diamond painting kit. You can go on to their site. It is licensed artist, and I'm so excited to announce a special surprise next time that we meet, so be watching. This is a collab that I am doing with Crafts with Crashly, and we are doing it during our lives, or at some point during the week there will be a video. So let's get into this. Like I said, this was a 50 by 60, and it was $33.15 USD. And I can't wait to show you what it is. You guys have seen it all over the place if you follow me on social media, and I've been waiting for it to come. We finally said the collab started November 1st. Even without our pieces due to a factory issue, we were going to still do the collab because we were excited. We wanted to be able to share this experience with you. Okay. So how fun is this? This is Willowing Arts Autumn Fairy with Fox, because here's the little fox down here, and here's the mushroom. So beautiful. They have these big, beautiful faces, these beautiful eyes. It almost looks like the earth. Let me bring it up for you. It almost looks like the earth, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. I can't wait to see what the shine looks like. Okay, so it has 28 colors. It has their diamondpaintingfactory.co.uk. It has Diamond Painting Factory logo up here. Like I said, it is a licensed work by Willowing, is what she goes by. However, her first name is Tamra. Here's the inventory sheet they gave me with the DMC colors and also how many of each I would need. This is the old school bag the old school way of, and what I mean by old school is some companies do baggies like this with the DMC. Some do multiple bags like this, and some have sealed bags similar to this, but instead of having like 20, it'll all be in one sealed bag instead of a resealable bag. So let's look at these colors. I did get rounds. Oh, let's see here. Okay, it's almost like, woo, look at my cards. I have a flush, a full house. What do I got? 4 of a kind. But how beautiful are these colors? This is 844. We've got 315. That is the 154. That's probably the beautiful color in her hair. You've got some vibrant pinks. This teal color is absolutely beautiful. Here's your brown background color. And then you've got these beautiful colors hiding that are just going to really help her hair pop. And I think one of the bags must have gotten open, so that's why I'm being careful. And sometimes that happens where the machine doesn't seal it all the way. I'm just being careful. It also could be leftovers that were on the bag itself when they wrapped it up. So we're just going to keep all these in here so that if it is a bag that busted, then we're not losing any of the colors I might need later. I do usually pick round when I'm starting out with a company. And then if I love the company, I will then go to squares so that I know I can then try out their square quality as well. Look at this color. Woo! Loving it. Woo! Loving it. These colors are phenomenal. Okay, let's see here what we got here. Oh, we got some more of these little babies here. I do want to look at the drill field. It's a little bit, what do you call it, light, but nothing that we can't handle. It's clear enough to be able to see. I do believe what it is I'm seeing is they have the vibrant color in the back, and then instead of doing the circles, the training wheel circles, they faded the color in the middle where your drill is going to go, where your diamond is. And so it makes the canvas itself feel a little bit light. I can't, faded, that's the word I was looking for. But it really isn't faded. It's going to be beautiful. The drills are going to pop. And I'm super excited to see where this collab goes. All right, let's measure. Oops, need to flip it over. It's supposed to be a 50 by 60, and it's roughly a 49 and a half by, make sure you guys can see what I'm doing here, by 59 and a quarter. So yes, it is true to size. Every company says to give them 1 centimeter space so that when they are ratioing it off, they have a little wiggle room so they don't distort the image. And I'm so excited. There's this little fox in her dress, and his little front matches her dress, and there's hearts and stars and this hair. I can't wait to dive in. So I'm going to go kit this up. I'm going to be ready this Friday for our live, and Crafts with Crashly will be on it with me, and we have a special announcement about this collab. And please, please, please comment on the last Friday live. What was that? November 1st. What was, I'm so confused. 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th. I think it was November 6th. Whatever that Friday is, please comment on the live, because this Friday I will be pulling a finalist towards a $50 gift card for the Diamond Painting Factory. We also have giveaways along the way, so please pay attention, because we can't wait to bless you, because you have blessed us so much. So yes, we've talked about the drills, we talked about the canvas, the symbols, super sticky. I want to say this is poured glue, but I know several people have had double-sided adhesive. So I wonder if they're using two different factories for two different styles, or if maybe, you know, rounds are one and squares are one. I'm not sure. I will ask Kyle over at the Diamond Painting Factory UK and get back to you and let you know if this is poured glue or double-sided adhesive. So until next time, be blessed, take care, and I can't wait to see you on Friday. Bye-bye.